Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to register a wallet that you already created but you forgot to save. Let's first click on Tools, then Digital Assets. And then let's register a new wallet. Here we have to put our blockchain. Either we use the testing one and then we just have to click on Sandbox, or we use the main public for real coins. Let's put it. We have to go back to our document and as you can see here, what I'm looking for is my public key. So I'm just gonna copy my public key, which is here. And paste it. And here you can see the magic. My wallet address appears. And the only thing I have to do is to register my wallet. My wallet is now registered. What if I want to explore my wallet? I just have to put again my blockchain link. We were working on the main public. And my wallet address that I had previously, and refresh. After refreshing, I can see that my wallet is effectively registered, but I have 0 coins. But it makes sense. Leave all your comments below the video and we will make sure that all your questions will be answered. Thank you for listening.